that graffiti spot. Dallas, Texas. If I walk down here, those birds will try to attack me again. They're sending out strong signals. They don't want me over here. That bird's on the lookout for somebody. Now, but here we are. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Told you, man. This bird's on the lookout. This bird is not effing around. I gotta. This bird is not effing around. This bird's watching everybody. Anyways, there goes the graffiti. Got some more on the walls over here. All this artistic work. Like I said, those are the weights that I saw earlier. Debating on if I should take them back to Kansas with me since I'm out here in Dallas, Texas. Yeah. What the That's funny. With an 8-ball. We got some right here. Yeah. I have some more too. I'll get some more.